Here's my TV. Alright. And it is it's that model there. 42 LE 5400. There's the stand. All that had to come off. Really was a million screws, but most of them were the same size. And I kind of should have kept it where, but I kind of know where they're going to go. But here's my board. I had it on these aluminum foil things in the oven. It's cooling off now a little bit more, but I'm ready to stick it in. Before I took it apart, it was just stuck on the LG splash screen. Alright, so when I stick this back in, after I baked it at 385 for about 12 minutes, if it goes past the splash screen, that worked. So here we go. I'm putting it back together, and the next shot I'll be turning it on. Okay, so I made these little stands out of aluminum foil for my board. Okay, so we're gonna give it a bake here. It's almost there, almost at 385. We reached 385 on my oven. It's preheated 385. I'm about to put it in now.
I don't remember it because it's been 5 years.
Put it in right now, and we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Here it goes. We're going to fire it up. Those are the pillows I had it sitting on this table on the screen. It was not that bad. It's taken so far about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. But I fired it up once, and half the screen was good. It worked. Half was white. So I took it back apart because I was stupid enough to put the screws and stuff back together, some of them. I took it back apart and checked all the wiring harnesses. And I kind of lifted it up and fired it up, and it fired up. But here we go, all back together. My LG 40-inch TV, and I'm going to fire it up now. There it goes, firing up. Look at there. That's cool, but we want to get past this screen, and there it is. And I'll go to menu. Let's go to menu. Look at that. There it is. It's back to life. That bake worked. I did mine for 12 minutes, but that bake worked. This is incredible. Incredible. My beautiful big 40-inch is back. And this thing has a great picture on it. I can't believe it. Thank you to everybody that posted how to do this, because you really saved me some money. I'm on a fixed income now. Saved me some money, and really appreciate it. All right, YouTube. Another FYI from YouTube. Man, YouTube's helped me with so much. Just look it up, and it's on there. All right, guys. Bye-bye.